If VLC Media Player keeps playing your files in random order, don't worry, because this is usually a very quick fix. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop VLC from shuffling your media and get your playback back to normal. We'll cover the easiest method first, and then we'll go into the settings that can cause VLC to keep playing randomly forever. If this helps, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player and look at the bottom control bar. This is where you'll see your play, pause, stop, and volume controls. On that bar, look for the shuffle icon. It usually looks like two arrows crossing over each other. If that icon is highlighted, often in blue or another bright color, that means shuffle is turned on. To fix the random play issue, simply click the shuffle icon once to turn it off. When it is no longer highlighted, VLC should stop playing your files in random order. If VLC is still playing randomly after that, the next step is to check the program preferences. To do that, go to the top menu and click Tools, then choose Preferences. You can also press Ctrl and P on your keyboard to open the Preferences window faster. Once the Preferences window opens, look in the bottom left corner and select the All Radio button under Show Settings. This gives you access to the full list of VLC settings. Now on the left-hand side, find and click Playlist. On the right side, look for the option called Play Files Randomly Forever. If this box is checked, that is what is forcing VLC to keep shuffling playback. Uncheck that box to disable the feature. This is an important setting because even if the shuffle button looks off, VLC can still behave randomly if this option is enabled. After unchecking it, click Save to apply the changes. Then close VLC completely. Make sure the app is fully shut down, not just minimized or hidden in the background. After that, reopen VLC and test your media again. Your files should now play in the normal order instead of jumping around randomly. If you still notice random playback, double check that shuffle is off on the main control bar and that the Play Files Randomly Forever option is disabled in Preferences. Those two settings are the most common reasons VLC Media Player starts playing files in a random order. And that's it. You've now fixed VLC Media Player Random Play by turning off Shuffle and disabling the Random Playback setting in Preferences. If this video solved your problem, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy software fixes, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.